Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I got a really easy how-to video for you guys today. I'm going to show you how to do a really simple Tiki wall hanger. They're real good for hanging on privacy fences, by a pool, tiki bar, man cave, that type of thing. Super simple. But before we get into it, do me a big huge favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the little bell for notifications. It really helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it. But with that being said, let's jump on into it. This is really simple, straightforward. We're just gonna start out. I'm gonna draw the teeth on, and kind of go from there. And I'm kind of doing the teeth first because I got these two screws, and I want to avoid them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the bottom teeth, and we'll make the top teeth. And you can put the little curve if you want. You can do it straight if you want. Just kind of use your imagination. Kind of however you want to do it, it'll be fine. There's no really rules with the Tiki, so just kind of have fun and pick a cool design. We're just going to kind of wing it here. This right here is going to be the bottom of the nose. We're going to come around, go around there, get the top of the nose. That's the top teeth. Right here we're going to do be kind of the bottom of the chin, kind of the same as the nose, but it's the chin. Around there. Don't have to be perfect. I'm kind of drawing from the side. I can't exactly see what I'm doing here, but it'll be fine. And we're going to do the nose on that side, and on that side. Go straight up with the nose here, and on the eyes. You know, you can do eyes. You can bring it up and do an eye like that. You can kind of bring both and do kind of like a traditional eye. You can do kind of I kind of like to kind of bring it around and do that kind of droopy eye. That's kind of the style I like, so that's what I'm going to do. And I like to bring that around, kind of make a little forehead there. Do another line there if you want. And we'll do the same down here. I'm going to separate our teeth. Show your line there, throw your line there, your line there. Same with the bottom. Super simple. These are really good too if you're kind of struggling to get something done that you're really proud of, or you're kind of in the beginning stages and you're not real happy with your bears, or not really happy with the owls or whatever you're working on, or struggling with this or struggling with that. This is something that you can do them really quick. They're super straightforward, super simple, and they look good. They look cool. They're they sell good. People really dig them. And too, like if you're in the beginning stages and you're struggling to get a really big inventory or a nice inventory, this is something you can whip. I mean, you can do as many of these suckers as you want in a day. And they make your booth look good. And if you're just now getting to selling stuff and you're, like I said, struggling with a big inventory, these signs like this, porch leaners and wall hangers, and the simpler things, they really fill your booth up and get you a lot of product with not a ton of effort. And anyway, let's move on to the top. I didn't really have a game plan, so let's just do kind of a cool little sun or something. I don't know, looks pretty cool. Do the same thing at the bottom. And like I said, none of this has to be perfect. It's a Tiki. They're supposed to have character. They're supposed to be kind of wacky. That's another reason these are great for beginners. I mean, they're really hard to screw up because you really can't screw a Tiki up. Well, I guess you could, but you'd have to work pretty hard at it. So basically what we're going to do is, it's super simple, straightforward. Just follow your lines. We're going to cut it out. And then once we get it cut out, we'll go from there. And I went ahead and sanded the board because I'm sure you've seen me sand a million times in other videos. And I use a 4.5 inch angle grinder with a flappy disc to sand everything. So if you want to use the same thing as me, that's what I use. So anyway, let's go ahead and start cutting this out, and I'm just going to start tracing the teeth, and we're just going to go up from there, and then we'll go down and do the bottom, and then we'll I'll show you how you can, you know, spray paint the creases and sand it off, and show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this out so you can see what I'm talking about. Well, maybe. I'm trying my best to stay to the side so you guys can see me carving. So if I step in front of the camera, sorry about that. I'm trying my best not to. Got the eyes. Alright guys, it's literally it's that easy. So that's pretty much your basic Tiki. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to fire the generator up and just hit these birds with the sander real quick, shoot a little spray paint in there, and kind of show you a semi-finished product. So let me fire the generator up. I'll do that real quick and show you the next step. sorry about that, guys. My camera died while I was sanding, but pretty much what I did, I just sanded the burrs off, and then I spray painted in the creases, and I let that tack up for a minute, and then I sanded up to the line to leave the black down in the creases. So pretty much all I did was just spray paint in the creases and then sand it off. This is what I use. It's just a super cheap spray paint. You just spray it really quick, spray all the creases, and then just sand all the overspray off, and then this is what you're left with. But so you didn't miss much. But anyway, that's pretty much the finished product, and if you wanted to paint it, you could paint it. I like using kind of tropical colors, so I would probably paint it and use maybe like some Caribbean blue and maybe some orange up here and some pastel yellow, and maybe highlight that with some orange and kind of just make it real beachy looking, and that's what's really popular. But yeah, these are really good for if you're trying to get inventory, if you're not really fast yet and you're struggling to get a boot together. You know, throw 10 or 12 of these suckers in there, make a couple gnome faces, make a couple tikis, you know, make a couple wood spirit faces, just kind of play around, have fun with stuff like this. It's really good practice too if you're just getting going, a beginner. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this, just a really quick, easy thing to kind of get you in the groove and get some product out there. They sell pretty good. I get, you know, 45 bucks pretty easy for these, and as you can see in the video, it's not a ton of effort. So yeah, go make some tiki faces and have fun, and you know, sell some, make a little extra cash, and have some fun, or just make some for yourself and hang them around. They're pretty cool. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and I really hope this video helps you guys. I'll have some more cool stuff up soon, and I'll pan over and show you this little pile I'm working on since I'm standing right here. Got some turtles, bears, red birds, more bears, eagles at the bottom. That's an order I'm working on right now. But anyway, I figured I'd show you that. But yeah, as always, you know, thanks for watching the videos. I'll have some more cool stuff up soon. Till next time, guys.